Where?
He's got demonstrating on like a.
No, it's set, but it's big.
He has some spurs on his stomach.
Hay que mantenerla así vendada con la toalla esa por mientras, ¿ok? Algo más para pisarle aquí. Nomás había nomás era un cohete. Sí.
The other one he filmed empty.
But he wasn't near it, right? He wasn't near it. He didn't get hurt by the...
I don't know. All I heard is I work from home, so I heard the
Oiga,
lo van a llevar para mandarle
dile al condado de Ventura, al hospital del condado de Ventura, ¿ok? Es el BCMC.
Se lo van a llevar al BCMC del condado de Ventura. Okay.
Just the finger or the whole hand?
There's damage.
¿Quieres que te lo ponga en la bolsa o ya dice que va a ir para allá para ver?
Yes.
Sounds like it was firework.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. It exploded. It was pretty loud, and you can smell it right out there.
Yeah, you get a look at
I got one right here.
Yes, we do.
I haven't looked at it yet. I didn't pull it off. She's not pressured right now.
Please stop. So we'll just get it. We'll keep it, but we didn't stop here. Si lo mantienes arriba del corazón para que no sangre, ¿ok? Está bien. Yo te la detengo.
Vamos a parar, ¿ok?
Que te sientas ahí en la camilla.
Hey, Chad. The medic saying you can cancel RA. Just nearby. It's on the side, but mostly it's near that shit.
Yeah, he said that he felt dizzy.
RA 50 responding with engine 184.
Oh, really? What's the report? Yeah. I live right here. Yeah. Yes.
So I heard you.
Yeah.
And then I went and got some. And then the poor man, oh my gosh. Life changes in a heartbeat.
Yes.
His hand is all mangled. I saw a mangled hand. I knew exactly.
I didn't see the first time. I saw it the second time, and I'm like, oh my gosh, how? Yes.
I've seen the injuries before. I helped him out. Like
Yeah.
I need a belt. I couldn't find a belt, so I'm trying to.
Yeah, I saw the other guy do that. The
Yeah, and I
tourniquet. I was like, okay.
we need to get eyes set. I decided